Apple Search Ads Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Apple Search Ads are in the description. Apple Search Ads is the go-to advertising platform for app developers looking to drive installs directly from the App Store. Since users on the App Store already have high intent, Apple Search Ads provides one of the most effective ways to capture engaged users at the moment they're searching for relevant apps. It's designed for businesses of all sizes, whether you're a startup looking to gain traction or an established brand optimizing your mobile growth strategy. The platform offers two main options: Basic and Advanced. Apple Search Ads. Basic is ideal for those who want a simplified experience with automated targeting and bidding, requiring minimal management. It operates on a cost per install CPI model, where you set a monthly budget up to $10,000, and Apple automatically optimizes placements. Apple Search Ads Advanced, on the other hand, gives full control over campaigns, allowing advertisers to choose keywords, audience demographics, and bidding strategies. It operates on a cost per tap CPT model, where you only pay when users tap your ad. A key advantage of Apple Search Ads is its keyword-based targeting, ensuring your app appears in front of users actively searching for similar apps. With features like match types, negative keywords, and audience refinements such as location, device type, and user status, new or returning, advertisers can fine-tune their reach. Additionally, creative sets let you test different ad variations to improve performance. Performance tracking is seamless, with real-time insights into impressions, taps, installs, and cost per acquisition, CPA. Integration with third-party attribution platforms like Adjust, AppsFlyer, and Branch makes it easy to measure post-install events and user retention. Apple Search Ads is best for mobile marketers looking for high-intent users with a strong return on ad spend, ROAS. With premium placements, precise targeting, and a user-friendly interface, it's a must-have for app growth. If you're looking to scale your app's downloads efficiently, check the links in the description and get started with Apple Search Ads today.